My name's Corbin Clay. I'm the founder of the Azure Furniture Company in Denver, Colorado. We build typically residential standards. We have a standardized line of 30 pieces. Then we also still do custom. Everything we do now is 100% Colorado-sourced beetle kill pine. There's all this negative energy with the beetle kill. It's an eyesore, huge fire hazard, acres and acres and acres of dead pine trees. Why don't we judo all that negative energy into something good? I mean, we're awful proud of that we get to participate, taking this pretty awful situation, turning it into something fairly positive. Because there's a very low market value on the material, it's fairly inexpensive. So now we can produce heirloom quality piece of furniture for a pretty reasonable price point. We have the same expectation with our tools that our customers have with our product. And we've yet to be disappointed with the Festool. I don't think we've ever just kind of been ho-hum about a Festool piece of equipment. Every single piece we've brought in has made us giddy at how well it works, how efficiently it works, the fact that we're going to start making money off this thing because we're not spending 30 minutes doing what we used to do, now we're spending 3 minutes. I mean, the Festool domino is a perfect example of that. Mortise and tenon joinery, one of the strongest joints on the planet. We used to cut those by hand. We would use a hollow chisel mortiser, which at the time was the fastest way of doing it, and that's still slow. Now, with the Festool domino, we can do that exact same joint in a matter of minutes. The efficiency and the profitability we gain from that, it's incredible. Profit's not the end all, but profit is certainly necessary for growth. How else would we spend a week prototyping new furniture that we want to launch for spring? The dust extractors are phenomenal. Our first tool was the domino, and that's actually hogging out a giant hole. We thought surely we're gonna have to blow out all the mortises or dump them out before we go, and it's completely clean. The mortise is totally done, ready for glue. It's incredible. And our shop is clean as can be, because we have customers come out quite a bit. They wanna select their own lumber. They'll come out to just say hey and meet the guys building their furniture. We don't have to spend 2 hours cleaning, and Festool is the main reason of that, because the extractors are so efficient. There's a perfect synergy with where our culture is going with regard to conscious consumerism and people wanting to know who is making their products, where they're being made, how they're being made. We get to participate in kind of a rebranding of the woodworking industry, of American craftspeople, of American artisans, bringing customer and product and craftsmen all together in a pretty rad little relationship to where everybody's happy. We get to be the ambassador of the new way of doing things, and Festool lets us do that.